Every single year, over 1 billion tires are discarded globally, creating massive mountains of industrial waste that loom over our fragile environment and natural landscapes. We no longer view these as mere scrap or environmental hazards. Instead, we see an untapped reservoir of raw materials waiting for a revolutionary second life. The transformation begins here, where heavy machinery meets advanced science to reclaim carbon and rubber from the ruins of our modern transportation and logistics systems. This rugged material, designed to withstand thousands of miles on the road, is about to undergo a profound metamorphosis at the deepest molecular level possible today. By scanning the internal architecture, we identify every component. This allows us to deconstruct the tire with surgical precision, separating the valuable polymers from the steel. We are not just recycling, we are restructuring. Every atom of this discarded rubber is analyzed and prepared for a process of extreme refinement and purification. From the gritty asphalt of the highway to the gentle warmth of your home, this is the story of how waste, comfort, and sustainable fashion. Step into the cryogenic zone, where liquid nitrogen at negative 196 degrees Celsius instantly freezes the rubber, making it as brittle as thin glass. Under this absolute cold, the elastic properties of the rubber vanish. It becomes a frozen shell ready to be shattered into millions of tiny, manageable pieces. The crushing mechanism comes alive with immense force. These hardened steel teeth are designed to pulverize the frozen rubber into a fine, consistent dust within seconds. Impact. The frozen structure yields instantly. The tire is reduced to a chaotic storm of fragments, effectively breaking the bonds that once held the tread together. This black storm of particles is the raw essence of the tire. Controlled by vacuum systems, it flows toward the next stage of our high-tech purification. Precision and power work in harmony. Every rotation ensures that no piece is larger than a few millimeters, creating a uniform powder for the upcoming chemical reaction. Magnetism plays a crucial role here. Giant magnetic drums pull every single strand of steel wire out of the mixture, ensuring the rubber is completely metal-free. Even the smallest metallic sliver is removed. This high-efficiency separation process is what allows us to achieve the medical-grade purity required for indoor footwear products. What remains is pure, granulated rubber. It is now refined, cleaned, and stripped of its industrial past, ready to be reborn into something soft and colorful. The sorting process ensures perfection. Each granule is categorized by size, creating a consistent raw material that will melt perfectly in the next phase of production. The power of absolute cold has done its job. The transformed rubber is now stable and ready to leave the cryogenic zone for the chemical reactor tanks. This marks the end of the mechanical destruction. Now, the real magic begins as we transition from physics to the intricate world of biochemical engineering. The black granules are submerged into a specialized reaction chamber. Here, heat and catalysts begin to break down the vulcanized bonds of the original tire material. As the temperature rises under controlled conditions, the rubber returns to a liquid state. It is a molten canvas, ready to be purified and completely recolored. The transformation is visual and chemical. By removing the carbon black and road residues, we strip away the tire's identity, leaving behind a pure polymer base. Our advanced nanofiltration technology catches every microscopic impurity. This ensures that the final material is non-toxic, odorless, and perfectly safe for direct contact with skin. At the molecular level, we are filtering out the past. This level of purity is what sets our recycled material apart from traditional low-grade rubber recycling. Our expert technicians monitor the reaction in real time. Every parameter, from viscosity to molecular weight, is adjusted to meet our strict standards for high-quality footwear. Data-driven manufacturing ensures consistency. We track the chemical evolution of the rubber to ensure that every batch has the exact elasticity and durability required for comfort. The mixture simmers like a living organism. This degassing process removes any trapped air pockets, ensuring the final slippers will be dense, strong, and incredibly long-lasting. Precision is our highest priority. Even a 1-degree deviation could change the feel of the material, so we use aerospace-grade sensors to maintain perfect equilibrium. Now, we introduce the soul of the product. Vibrant, eco-friendly pigments are added to the mixture, washing away the last traces of the tire's dark history. Colors blend and dance in the reactor. We can create any shade, from soft pastels to bold neons, giving the recycled rubber a modern and stylish aesthetic. The result is a uniform, rich color that won't fade over time. This pigment is deeply integrated into the polymer, ensuring lasting beauty for every pair. Smooth as silk and pure as water, the liquid rubber travels through sterile glass conduits. It is now ready to take its final form as a slipper. The system is primed. High-pressure valves stand ready to inject this liquid gold into the precision-engineered molds that will define the slipper's unique shape and comfort. We have achieved total purification. The material is now a high-performance, biosafe polymer, ready to provide comfort to feet all around the world in style. Behold the heart of the factory. This massive injection molding machine exerts thousands of tons of pressure, forge the liquid rubber into its final solid form. The molds open with a rhythmic hiss. Each plate is polished to a mirror finish to ensure the slippers come out with a perfectly smooth, premium texture. Injection happens in the blink of an eye. The liquid is forced into every corner of the mold under extreme pressure, capturing every detail of the design. The mold is designed for ergonomic perfection. As the liquid fills the space, it takes on the contours of the human foot, promising a perfect fit. Locked and loaded. The immense pressure of the machine ensures that the rubber is compressed into a dense, durable structure that will never lose its shape. Under this extreme force, the liquid rubber undergoes a final phase transition. It is no longer just a fluid. It is becoming a solid, resilient piece of footwear. Rapid cooling is essential. A fine mist of water drops the temperature of the steel instantly, setting the rubber's shape and ensuring a smooth, non-stick finish. The heat dissipates and the molecular structure locks into place. The slipper is now a single, unified piece of material with no glues or weak joints. This is where science meets manufacturing on a grand scale. Dozens of machines work in a synchronized dance, producing hundreds of pairs of slippers every hour. Reveal. Out of the intense heat and pressure emerges a product of beauty and utility. The old tire has finally been completely reborn into comfort. Automation ensures precision handling. A robotic arm with soft vacuum grippers reaches in to extract the slippers, preventing any marks or damage to the fresh surface. Suspended in the air, the slippers look flawless. The transformation from a dirty, discarded tire to this elegant piece of home fashion is now physically complete. Notice the texture. Despite its rugged origin, the surface is now soft to the touch with a premium matte finish that rivals any high-end fashion brand. They move to the final cooling stage. This ensures that the internal temperature is completely stabilized before the slippers reach the quality control specialists. The sole pays homage to its history. We've engineered an anti-slip pattern that provides incredible grip on tiles and wood, drawing inspiration from high-performance tire treads. Comfort is in the details. The footbed features microscopic ergonomic zones designed to relieve pressure and provide a gentle massage with every step you take. A rainbow of sustainability. From pink to teal, each pair represents a tire that was saved from a landfill and turned into something useful and beautiful. Our facility operates with zero waste efficiency. Even the small amounts of excess rubber from the molding process are collected and fed back into the reactor. We leave the heat of production behind and enter the world of rigorous testing. Here, every slipper must prove it is worthy of your home. Welcome to the Quality Assurance Lab. In this sterile environment, our team uses advanced scientific equipment to verify the safety and durability of every batch. The durability test is relentless. We stretch and pull the material to its absolute limits to ensure it can withstand years of daily use without losing its integrity. Perfect recovery. The recycled polymer retains its memory, snapping back to its original shape every time, providing consistent support for the life of the product. We simulate years of walking in just a few minutes. This compression test ensures the cushioning never bottoms out, keeping your feet comfortable day after day. We look deeper than the eye can see. Our specialists scan the surface for any microscopic defects or impurities that might have escaped the filtration process. Safety is our non-negotiable promise. Every pair is certified to be free from lead, heavy metals, and harmful chemicals often found in lower-quality recycled products. This certification is our pledge to you. We've turned industrial waste into a bio-safe material that is as gentle on your skin as it is on the planet. Human touch is the final filter. Our experts manually inspect every pair, looking for the kind of perfection that only the human eye can truly appreciate. For the ultimate finish, we use precision lasers. This process removes any microscopic molding flash, leaving an edge that is perfectly smooth and comfortable. The laser's precision is measured in microns. This ensures that there are no rough spots to irritate your skin, providing a seamless and luxurious experience. Feel the difference. This material is engineered for the perfect balance of softness and support, creating a cloud-like sensation with every step you take at home. We clean them to a clinical standard. Ultrasonic air blasts remove any remaining particles, ensuring your slippers arrive at your door in a state of absolute purity. Each pair passed here is a testament to our dedication. We don't just make slippers. We craft a message of hope and sustainable innovation for the future. Uniformity is a sign of excellence. Every pair in this line is identical in its quality, color, and comfort, meeting the highest standards of modern manufacturing. The journey is almost complete. As we move to packaging, we use only recycled materials, keeping our commitment to the planet at every single step of the way. A beautiful cascade of color. This is the visual proof of our success, turning thousands of black tires into a vibrant rainbow of useful, sustainable products. This satisfying flow of products represents a circular economy in action. What was once waste is now a valuable asset, ready to find a new home, packaged for a better world. Our boxes are plastic-free and fully compostable, ensuring that our environmental footprint remains as light as the slippers themselves. Experience the rebirth. When you step into these slippers, you are stepping into a future where waste no longer exists, only endless cycles of renewal. The softness is unparalleled. Every step is a reminder that with enough science and heart, even the toughest industrial waste can be transformed into gentle comfort. We are redefining the lifespan of matter. By choosing products like these, you are helping us clear the mountains of waste and protect our natural world. From the dark phantoms of industry to the bright colors of your home, we aren't just making slippers. We are engineering a more beautiful, sustainable